Hello and welcome again. Today we look at yet another multiple choice question for IB Chemistry, this time for HL. Consider the following two-step reaction mechanism at temperature T. And here you have the two steps, then you have three statements, and you have your answer choices. So it's useful to first of all look and see which of these statements can apply to the steps. And here you have the slow or the rate determining step as step 1. And then one of the statements is step 1 is the rate determining step. Yes, the rate determining step, or the RDS, is always the slow step. So it means that 2 is correct. Then it says the rate expression for step 1. This step is K multiplied by the concentration of NO2 squared. And this 2 is correct because 2 NO2s go into this first step. So the rate expression could be written from a step in a reaction, not from an overall reaction, but from a particular step that's been determined experimentally and presented like this. You can derive the rate expression from that. So this is correct also. Now, the overall reaction is the third and final statement. And let's look here. You have 2 NO2s going into the process, but down at the end here you have an NO2 coming out also. So it means that in the overall reaction, only one NO2 is actually consumed. So that's why it's correct to have this here. Then we notice that an NO3 is produced here and then it's consumed here. So it's an intermediate. And intermediates do not form part of the overall reaction. So we remove NO3 here and here. Then you notice that NO is a product here, and it doesn't appear in the second equation. So it means it's got to be included in the overall. CO2 also, a product here, doesn't appear anywhere else. It's got to be here in the equation. And then also you have CO, carbon monoxide, being introduced here, and it's not connected in any way to the equation above. So that too needs to be a part of the overall reaction. So it is in fact correct that this is your overall reaction to go along with these two steps. And it means that the correct answer is 1, 2, and 3, D.